Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets, numbers and shapes. Its colors name blue color, black color, green color, red color, yellow color, yellow color. Kids now coloring alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for ant, and use blue color. Kids now draw B. B for ball, B for bat, and use black color. The alphabets of B. Kids now draw C. C for cat, C for car, and use green color. The alphabets of C. Kids now draw D. D for dog, D for doll, and use red color. The alphabets of D. Kids now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant, and use yellow color. The alphabets of E. Kids now draw numbers, and first draw 1. The numbers of 1, and use blue color. O-N-E 1. The numbers of 1. Kids now draw 2. The numbers of 2, and use black color. TWO2. Kids now draw 3. The numbers of 3, and use green color. THRW3. Kids now draw 4. The numbers of 4, and use red color. FOUR4. Kids now draw 5. The numbers of 5, and use yellow color. FIVE5. Kids now draw shapes, and first draw a square. The shape of a square, and use blue color. The shape of circle. Kids now draw triangle. The shape of triangle, and use green color. Kids neither heart, the shape of heart, and use red color. Red color. Kids lastly draw star, the shape of star, and use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids today draw A, B, C, D, E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, square, circle, triangle, heart, and star. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.